Once you're logged into PreBilt, this is the main menu you'll land on. Everything is grouped into clear sections, such as System Guided, Manual Selection, and Inbound Processes, just like in the standard RFUI. Tapping a section takes you further into that category. For example, selecting System Guided opens the next menu, where you can choose System Guided Selection or Guided by Queue. To return to the main menu, simply tap the back navigation arrow. Now, let's look at some of the other menu options available for you to explore. Tapping into Manual Selection presents a further 3 categories to select. Tapping Selection by WO will take us to the start of a process. Tapping the back arrow will return us to the previous screen, and tapping the back arrow again will take us back to the main menu. As we explore the different menus, notice how the structure remains the same across each section. This consistent layout means you always know where to look. The visual icons and text labels make it clear what each option does, keeping the workflow straightforward. You can easily move between menus to review different warehouse processes. This design helps reduce errors and improve speed when switching between processes during daily operations. That concludes the overview of the main PreBilt menu. You're now ready to navigate confidently and make the most of your warehouse processes.